Hi, I'm Curtis Carnelson. I'm the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer with Norstar. One of the things that we really focus on is what's the long-term plan and layout that the farmer is going to be looking for. With the expansion of farming and options and growth in mind, we can develop a long-term plan, whether it's something that you're going to put a full system in year one or multi-phase over years. Expansion and planning is becoming more and more important. Whether we're setting up a standard setup like this, where it's a repeatable footprint model, or we're looking to customize a site for long-term growth and development. All the products we build are painted as standard, powder-coated painted, or galvanized, stainless when we get into fertilizer, and everything we produce is as manual or automated as you want. From on-off switches to full automation, all the way to we'll build you an app to run your site. Part of the Norstar equipment, while it's all standard conveyors, bucket elevators, screw augers, it's all custom set up for your facility. And that's one of the nice things about working in conjunction with Flaman and Norstar is the long-term planning for a continued success into the future. For more information on our products, on setting up your farm site, please contact your local Flaman dealership. They'd be glad to work with you.